Okay, so now checking the battery health with a multimeter. On one side you have the volts, the other side, one side you have DC current, the other side you have AC current. So get it to 20 because we are going to be somewhere near that range. Positive terminal, positive lead. And the cold voltage of a battery should be somewhere around 12.5. What I have with me is 12.41, that is slightly below 75% of the battery's capacity. Now let's just try the cranking voltage. A healthy battery should not go below 9 on the multimeter. Crank. That's 10 point something. So that is totally fine. I have a very good battery. Thanks.